Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram's DMs not sending. First, try switching between networks. Switch from Wi-Fi to data to rule out some network issues. Next, you are going to restart Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe the app away and then reopen it. This will refresh your feed and then your DMs might go through. After that, you're going to update the app if none of the other options that I've said work. Open App Store, go to Instagram and then see if there's an update button available, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Next, go ahead and search on settings, low data mode, and then make sure to turn it off. Then log out from Instagram and log back in again. Safety tip: do not spam messages. Instagram rate limits you. Quick fix: delete the chat and reopen a new one, and that's it. Subscribe for more.